Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods on day 6 of our forest bathing for self-isolating people, to take you out into the woods and give you a breath of fresh air. Well, my goodness, if yesterday was a glad to be alive day, today is on steroids. It's so mild, I've even taken my jacket off. And the birds are singing, they're just going wild. It's so beautiful. You hear that? So, I've come back to this dear little pond. I have you to thank for this because I don't normally visit this pond, but I've been getting to know it over the last few days, and it's gorgeous. As I approached, there was a pair of ducks, a pair of mallard ducks, who were sitting on the pond, and they rose up and flew away. So I imagine that they're planning on nesting on this island here. It's a great place to nest if you're a duck. It's safe from foxes, and it's a great nursery for the little ducklings once they hatch. So I have to bear that in mind when I'm visiting and not come too often to disturb them. It was so beautiful to see the ripples coming across the water as I approached the pond from where they'd flown up. So my main delight in coming here is the frog spawn. Clumps and clumps and clumps of frog spawn. It's quite fresh actually. The eggs are still just little spheres. It looks in good health, and I'm hopeful that in a few weeks this pond is going to be alive with wriggling tadpoles. So do you see them? Here? There's a whole city of frog spawn. It's a wonderful texture. I don't want to disturb them, but I'm going to be keeping a close eye over the next few days and watch the little tadpoles develop inside their eggs. So I've come to the other end of the pond, and here it's another world. It's much more open, and the wind seems to capture the water, and I've been sat here for a few minutes watching. It's fascinating. This duckweed is kind of swirling around the pond in vortexes in slow motion. You need some time to actually see what's happening. I'm going to try and capture it on time lapse for you so that you can see. But it is such a peaceful spot, and it is such a beautiful day, that I'm going to give you, at the end of this video, just a few minutes without me wittering on, just to spend time in this gorgeous, peaceful place and enjoy it for yourself.